Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing good. This is the cat of my daughter. We had to put her down this year, and I made a video about a memorial piece from her fur, and my daughter still misses her a lot. Me too, by the way. And I wanted to make a tumbler to remind my daughter of that cat, and yeah, it's kind of on the cute side, and I hope you like it. If this is interesting to you, please stay tuned and watch my video. The favorite color of my daughter is red, and that's why I paint the tumbler in red too. And I'm using acrylic paint, but you can also use some spray paint. This is up to you, however you want to do it. When the paint was dry, I used some spray glue and adhered the glitter onto the tumbler with it. And I put some of this chunky glitter onto my paper, and now I'm sprinkling the glitter over my tumbler. And yeah, I just wanted to have a little bit of the chunky glitter on it, just to yeah, get some big sparkle for the eyes. And I took my hand and pressed the chunky glitter onto the cup. Yeah, so it lays flat. And then I filled the spots where there were no glitter yet with fine glitter. And yeah, I will hold the cup on an angle because I want to make an ombre effect with silver color later. I put the silver glitter thick on top of the tumbler because I wanted to yeah, cover the whole tumbler there. And on the spots where the chunky red glitter is, there will be no silver glitter, and this accentuates the color a little bit. I like that. So now I'm tilting my tumbler again just to make the ombre, and yeah, let the glitter fall into the red glitter as well over the line that I imagine in my head. So this is what the tumbler looks like now, and I let that dry completely. And after that, I put on a coat of transparent spray paint and let that dry as well. After 24 hours, then I put my first coat of epoxy on. After 24 hours, the resin was cured, and I took an 80 grit sandpaper and roughed up my surface. And I cleaned up my rim of that cup. If you do that in between all the way, it won't be as hard at the end to clean up the rim of the cup. And then I sprayed the whole thing with isopropanol alcohol just to get rid of some stains and a little bit fat of the skin. And yeah, and this is the sticker I want to put on there. Like I said, my daughter loves cats, and that's why I chose this one. So I bought this sticker from Temu. They have lots of stuff like that. These are car stickers, and that's why they're made out of vinyl. If you're interested, check them out. So I'm pressing my sticker onto the cup and yeah, making sure that it sticks all the way down and having no air bubbles underneath. So this is what a cup looks like. Looking from it now, it's not really straight, but yeah, we'll just go on. I signed my cup there, and yeah, and now I have, this is an erasable pen, and I'm sketching out the name of my daughter here. I didn't really like the placement of that of the name that I did there, and so I'm just wiping it off, and I'm trying new. And this is why I take an erasable pen to do that. After I was satisfied with the placement that I put it on, I took my Reliefpaste and I yeah, painted the letters just like that with that. If you use the tube to put the paste on it, it's not really an exact thing. So I'm using my toothpick and yeah, spreading it out where it needs to go. And the cup looked kind of naked to me, and that's why I took my paste and put dots all over the place that I crossed out to make it look like stars with my toothpick. The relief paste is kind of dull, and that's why I decided to put some silver glitter over top of it to make it more sparkly. I let this completely dry and spray painted it 2 times with transparent spray paint just to seal up everything and yeah, make sure that nothing will lift on me when I put the epoxy on. So then I put 3 more coats of epoxy on the whole thing and we're finished. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment. It's always nice to hear from you. And I hope I'll see you in my next video. And until then, bye-bye.